As you can see, I'm all the way in the back of the hallway in Harrahs. This is the Valley Tower Rooms. I'm on in. Let's check it out. First thing first, I do like this whole Cosmo type wannabe look. So good job on the hardware design of the renovation. So kudos to Harrahs for that. And of course, as always, when you first walk in, there's the bathroom. Let's turn on lights so you'll see. Ooh. All right, get beautiful. Let's turn on all of them. So I'm glad that the toilet. Okay, so most older hotel has low toilet seats. This one sits up pretty high. Even though I'm not tall, I still don't want to be on the floor. And I take, you know, do my business. So therefore, kudos to that. This shower is interesting. There's, you know, this stuff that I will never use. And yeah, for the rest of it. But I get it. I think that's pretty cool. Not much amenities going on here, but I did give some soap. Okay. It's a journal room, but at least they updated the door. You know, the hardware. I do love the fact that this is one of those barnyards. The barnyard doors that rolls. So Joanna, what's going on up? Alright, see you later. Slides over and bam! You got your closet with the ironing board, hangers, a blaze rack. You know, the usual. There a light? Oh, there's no light here. Okay. So you've been in the dark. Ooh. Look at that mirror. Toot, 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 toot. Okay. This is the queen room here. So you got two beds. I do love that backlight. I love that. I love lights. If you don't know. Now you do. I love lights. Speaking of which. Ooh, it's like a little vanity. If I wore makeup. Alright. Why would you? Whoa, so bright. Look. Toot, 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 toot. Nice size TV. I'm not in the room long enough to watch TV. The bed test. I will do a separate bed test for you guys. Because even before this pandemic, our homegirl was a little germophobic. So I'll have to spray down with Lysol and stuff. I don't have my luggage at the time right now. I just checked in. So once I get all my stuff sprayed down, I'll let you know how the bed feels. How about that? This for working. Pretty sure it's a comfortable chair for someone. How many outfits we have here? Not enough light. You do have a lamp, but it's not enough light though. And it has one, two tables and chairs and my stuff. A telephone and another one. There be light. Right in front of you underneath the television is your safe. Just remember to get the stuff out of the safe. There is not a mini fridge or a microwave. Part of the reason why I don't stay in the strip. But this is a nice room. The thermostat, which I think this one is this. I need to go for this. And then the view. Let me do a reveal. Sit you guys down. Turn some lights. This should be good. I might have a view of AC units. Oh, I'm seeing light. Oh, I have a view of the parking deck. But you can see the pink purple lights. So I guess I'm on spotlight. I like this little angle. And what's this? The Venetian right next door is blocking my view. But there's a view of the Mirage, my favorite hotel. A little view right there. Whoop, whoop. So I'm making angle it one day, do one the Vegas to Cali stream. And like, look at of in the sky. Awesome. Overall, it's a nice. This is a nice room. Just need more outlets because I had to plug up everything that I use for these videos. But other than that, though, this would do. So this is my first official room tour. I hope you like it. If not, oh well. Thanks for watching. Remember, I love you. I really do. Have a great one. Hey guys, addendum. So we do have ports here on the side of the bed. Which is pretty cool. So each side has a port. Ooh. I can't reach this one. But yeah. So there's more charging options for you on the side. If that thing will focus. Okay, there we go. On the side of the bed, of the nightstand next to the bed. And as far as the bed goes, kind of messy over here. As far as the bed goes, it was pretty comfortable. It's soft, but not. It's gonna sink down. Soft. I like it. So yeah, this is the Harrahs Valley Tower double queen room. All right. See you the next time.